Welcome to another Baka commentary video. In this video, I'll be talking at FSR. As always, with these format of the video, I do a quick explanation and show you an example of what in action as well. And lastly, I will give my final verdict on FSR. So for FSR, this is AMD's next generation upscaler tool. So again, it will do the similar thing where it will natively render at low resolution. However, this doesn't use any AI cores, and rather they can use. AMD has designed this where any GPU basically can do this with a. But rather than this, as a result, this uses, existing in-game asset and the traditional upscaling technique, plus the FSR algorithm that gets constantly updated. And basically, FSR will aim to recreate the image as if it was native resolution. So again, so far, FSR not being allowed, or there's no way for it to work in the video format, and only for what, as of writing this video, only works in video game. So again, FSR for games, it's a really good upscaler, as clearly we have also some like Linux kernels that will literally give every video game, even if the devs are like, we didn't do any FSR programming, that OS will give it FSR. So this is all thanks to AMD, making this open source, and basically it's not, there can basically be mods for games to support FSR, and is it not locked down to, hey, if the devs didn't implement it, too bad, too sad, you don't get FSR. So, how again does this work in reality? Again, let's just say in gaming, you're playing at 4K resolution. Again, FSR, if you turn that on, you then lower to the next resolution, 1440p, and then FSR takes the 1440p data and all the traditional upscaling, like your TAA sampling and these stuff. They then run that through the algorithm and then try and recreate the image like it is if it was for native 4K. My verdict on it is FSR is truly a pretty good, like, open source next gen upscaling technique that is very competitive with its other counterparts. As we can see, it can be implemented as not just by the devs, it can be implemented on the OS level or on each individual user level, should the user want to be put the work into, FSR into a non-FSR supported game. I think this is the future of next generation upscaling technology, as again, you are not locked to any hardware, as all hardware, basically every discrete graphics card will support FSR. It's just that it depends on what performance will vary. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do the typical YouTube stuff, like and subscribe. And if you want to grow this community, share the video.